How to recover Inshot deleted video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted video on Inshot. Now, if you previously edited or drafted a video while editing on Inshot, and if you are trying to open it up now and it says it has been deleted and can't be found and you can't open it up, then it's probably because you have deleted the main source file of it. For instance, if I open up a video here and I'm editing it and I keep it on draft, right, then if I go ahead to the gallery and if I delete that particular video, then I won't be able to open it up again on Inshot as it will say the source file has been deleted. So in order to recover it, what you'll have to do is you want to head into your gallery, and on your gallery you want to head into the recycle bin and you want to restore the particular video file or the picture that you were editing. Once you restore it, only then you can go ahead and again open up the particular draft and you'll be able to edit it. Now if you have deleted it permanently from your phone and it's not on your recycle bin, then unfortunately you won't be able to recover it. So hope this helped you, hope this was clear. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.